the time to learn formula in LibreOffice Calc practically. We have read from presentation what is the meaning of formula, what is cell reference, what is cell range, and what is operator. Now, one by one, I am going to explain each and every concept. First of all, what is the meaning of formula? Suppose I want to add the marks of each and every student in each subject. Suppose Ram has taken Hindi, English, Math, Science, 4 subjects, as same for Mohan and same for Shyam. And I want to add Ram marks. So, first of all, I will write an equal to sign here. For any formula or for any function, this sign is must. It's an equal to sign. Now, I want to add the marks of these cells. Hindi, English, Maths and Science. Now, what is the cell reference for Ram Hindi marks? That is B2. That is cell reference. And what about for English Ram's marks? That is C2. Next D2. In the same way, Shyam's cell reference for Maths marks is D4. That is known as cell reference. Address of the cell is known as cell reference. Is it clear? Now, next is we are talking about formula. If I want to add the marks of 4 subjects for each and every student, then how will we do? Firstly I will write equal to sign, then I will write address of this cell. I can write here B, this cell address, that is B2, or you can just simply select this cell by clicking on that cell. So you can do by any method. So I am selecting, automatically the cell reference of that cell is appear. Now put the plus sign. Now click on C2, again put the plus sign, next Maths and put the plus sign, next Science. So in this way I have added 4 cell references for this formula. Now press enter key. Now the total of Ram marks is at here. Is it clear? In the same way I can do for Mohan marks. I am again explaining. Firstly put equal sign, then click on that cell. Now cursor, click, put plus sign, next C3, again put plus sign, D, put plus sign and Science. Next, most important, press enter key. So in this way you can do calculation. Suppose I have 40 students or 45 students or 100 students and I want to add the marks of each and every student by using this formula. So no need to go to each and every cell. You can just use the function autofill, feature autofill, by just clicking on that and you can drag it in the same way. So marks of each and every student will be added automatically. That is known as autofill feature. Is it clear? Next is how can we edit the formula. Suppose this formula I want to edit. Suppose I have added one new cell. So what will I do? Click on insert column. Suppose I am adding a new cell and I am entering the marks of drawing here, and enter the marks here. I am entering like this, but my formula is B2, C2, D2 and F2, but I want to add the marks of E2 also. That means I want to edit the formula. No need to take any tension. Just double click on the cell and all the cell will appear, and you can simply click plus and select the cell which you want to edit and press enter key. In the same way, if you want to edit all the cells reference, you just by clicking on the autofill feature you can do this. Is it clear? Now next is cell range, because I have discussed about the cell range. I am just copy pasting this. Select this, Ctrl C, with the help of Ctrl C I am copy, then paste. Now in this I want to apply the same formula with the help of cell range. Then what will we do? Firstly press equal to sign, then simply drag this. So in this range from B5 to F5 all cells are selected. You can see here a colon sign is appearing in between from first cell address and last cell address. That is known as cell range. That is known as cell range. Is it clear? What is the meaning of cell range? Cell range defines all the cells in between the starting cell and the ending cell. Is it clear? And in this, when I am double click on it, and which operator I have used? I have used plus operator. That is your arithmetic operator. I think these all points are clear to you. Thank you.